All right, let's start with SPY. One red candle. Calm down. You're going to see a lot of bearish stuff. What we want to see is this basically hold these levels right here. If we could hold it, maybe a one bar pullback. That would be if it's moving very, very quickly. One bar pullback, test or layer above here, and then continue to the upside. That would be the dip that I would probably be buying. And it looks like, again, I don't want to. I told you when I wanted to get in. I wanted to get in here and here. We ride it up. You know, if you got a little bit of it, maybe you got a little bit of today, it's going to squeeze. And some people have their stops all down there, so they might just take them and then run them back up. But again, underlying tone is bullish. We stick with that. We make money. QQQ. Again, you have 7 days going up. What is it? Is it 7 days? Yeah, 6 bars, 7th day. Do you not expect some type of retracement? So some will say, okay, because I think this is running around an inside bar. Okay, if you're really aggressive, put your stop under this one, put a buy above this one, and see if it continues to the upside. I'm expecting it again. If it could stay above these levels, we're good to go. I'm expecting the retracement. It's actually, they make all types of news and all types of crap to tell you that, oh, okay, Germany this or something. This every morning you'll see some type of bullshit. No, it goes up 7 days. It's gonna need to pause a little bit for maybe some accumulation or some profit taking. Get people accumulate back again and then push to the upside. It's don't let them fool you with that crap, that news driven crap. So the IWM, I'm not buying this dip right here. Definitely not. Just on, I would have wanted to get in around here and pull profits on this break, because if you just took here, how much pain will, and sometimes you gotta think for them to say, how much pain can we get the retail guy out? How much pain can we put him that he has to tap out? And that's one of the reasons why I'm very leery. I rarely occasion now, and I used to trade breakouts. Trust me, I used to trade them a lot. I rarely do it now because you go into the trade expecting pain. You're expecting to see, okay, how much will I let them squeeze me out? Because if I got in here, am I putting 50%? If it stops really wide, am I putting wide here? Am I looking at an intraday? That's stuff that you got to be cautious of. Okay, so we're having this. It's kind of showing some weakness right now to the bull side. We got to see where this resolves. Weakness meaning that every time it cleared above this, it rolled back in it. Every time it cleared above this previous level, so you could draw this like this. Went above this, came back in. Went above this, came back in. So that's showing me that the bulls currently are not showing that much strength, because when they did have strength, you could see here. See how they broke above these highs, came back, little space, and broke above, and now it's starting to churn a little bit. That's what you really have to be careful with. So again, we'll look at some names. Apple. I told you about Apple back here. I mean, yes, there's going to be some people that took the flag, and that's fine, but I like this dip. This was a low risk, high probability trade that is paid, that will pay some people that I've told to take it and hold it. Has been paying them well. It's up $5 now from when I would have gotten in on this candle. Latest been this candle. So again, congratulations to those being long, and don't let them shake you out too much. I would be peeling profits onto this. You have nice increasing volume to the tail end of it. So it started with volume, and again, you might. I mean, it doesn't look like exhaustion volume. I mean, it doesn't have high, volume like this, but that's something to just be aware of. You got Google just trading sideways. Got to see where it pops up, kind of go from there. It churned down and popped up. If we could hold these previous levels, then we're looking really good here. It might retrace, but want to see if it can break or make some spacing below that. Netflix, again, this is another one that is it going to hold this level? And yes, you do have the candlestick guys, which again, I've studied those, and I used to actually use them a lot, but you can't just use one candle. So you can't just say, okay, now we have a bearish engulfing or something that could be a hybrid type of evening star that, all right, we're going to go down. That's a hard risk trade. I would say, okay, if it breaks down below, I want to see a higher, excuse me, a lower high. Then I would look to retest and then see the volume that's going to be with that as well. Johnson & Johnson is looking good. Tesla, not right now. I mean, I guess if you're drawing your fibs from this level right here, because that's a false breakout. See, so it broke down these levels, broke down, and then pretty much came up. This retracement level is about 50%, so we want to see what happens there. Momentum is kind of slowing down as well, so we want to see if it breaks above this level. Again, this might not be a bad trade for some people. It all depends on how you look at things, because if, again, it could be something that it's coming to test above this, and if it gives a break above that spacing, which then means, okay, it can continue to the upside, but it churned on its way up, so you got to be really careful regarding that. Solar City, again, kind of mirroring that. Another one you want to keep on your watch is the Fedex. Okay, came up, popped up, came, give nice small candle, running up. Again, keep on your watches. People, watches are meant to be reviewed constantly so that you could see the setups versus, oh shit, I missed the move up here. I'm not going to look at it again until I see it again here, and then I'm going to chase. And don't do that. Got Biogen. This one is kind of going, but let's see if we can hold these levels right here, these previous highs. That would be something that could be, looking good, especially with these higher lows. Get this, if you get a break above this high, that one can continue to the upside. That looks good. And last but not least, we have this SSYS I was looking at, and again, I would be trying to take out here versus people trying to short now, so they just all confused. So people are trying to short. I like that it had the spacing here, right here, came back, dipped below, again, same thing, dipped below, never came back, and now we want to see if it's going to hold this 200 and these previous highs. So again, I'm over my time. Hopefully you see something that that helps you with your trading, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.